Hello my dear friends, welcome back to infyGyan. In this video we have one very interesting question from Math Olympiads. Here we are going to calculate f of 12 plus f of minus 8. If f of 1 is given to us 10, f of 2 20, f of 3 30 and fx is degree 4 monic polynomial. A polynomial is said to be monic once its leading coefficient is 1. So we can write fx equal to leading coefficient is 1, so x power 4 plus ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Now you can see a is our first unknown, b is second, c is third, d is fourth. And we have only three informations known. F of 1 is 10, f of 2 is 20, f of 3 is 30. So we can create only three equations, but unknowns are 4. So we won't get A, B, C, D from here. So let us write what is given to us. F of 1 is 10. I can write 1 times 10. F of 2 is given to us 20. So I can write 2 times 10 is 20. F of 3, this is 30. 30 can be factorized as 3 times 10. Now if I will sum up all the three equations, then I can write fx equal to 10x for x equal to 1, 2 and 3. Let's use this information. So I can write here fx equal to 10x. Then I will be writing x minus 1 times x minus 2 times x minus 3. So it is cubic. So I have to introduce another bracket x minus k. Now you can see if I will plug in here x equal to 1, then it will give us 10 times 1 or 10 from here. This term will be 0. If I will plug in x equal to 2, this term will be again 0 and 10 times 2 is 20. If I will plug in x equal to 3, we will get 10 times 3, 30. Let us consider fx here and then we will plug in x equal to 12 and minus 8. So I will write x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus k plus 10x. Now we will plug x equal to 12. I will write here f of 12 value. This will be equal to 12 minus 1, 12 minus 2, 12 minus 3 and 12 minus k plus 10 times 12. Let's simplify. 12 minus 1 is 11, 12 minus 2 is 10, 12 minus 3 is 9 and then we have 12 minus k plus 10 times 12 is 120. So 11 times 9 is 99, 99 times 10. I can write 990 here times 12 minus k plus 120. Now I will multiply 990 in the bracket. So we will get 990 times 12. This will give us 11,880 minus 990 k plus 120. Now 11,880 plus 120. This will be 12,000 minus 990 k. Let's say this is our equation number 1. This is the value of f of 12. Now we will plug in x equal to negative 8. We will calculate f of minus 8, this value. So I will write fx first. Let me write here. Here it is. Now I will put x equal to negative 8. So we will write polynomial f of minus 8 value. This will be equal to minus 8 minus 1, minus 8 minus 2, minus 8 minus 3, then minus 8 minus k plus 10x. So 10 times minus 8. Let's simplify. So minus 8 minus 1. This will give us minus 9 times minus 8 minus 2 minus 10. Minus 8 minus 3 is minus 11. And then we have minus 8 minus k. 10 times minus 8 is minus 80. Now we will multiply these three terms here. So again 11 times 9 is 99. 99 times 10 is 990 with negative sign. So minus 990 minus 8 minus k minus 80. Now I will expand or open this bracket or take minus common from the bracket. We can write 990 in the bracket 8 plus k minus 80. Now we will multiply 990 times 8, 7920 plus 990k minus 80. Now 7920 minus 80. This will be 7840. Let me write here 7840 and then we have plus 990k. This is the value of f of minus 8. Let me call this is our equation number 2. Now we will add both the equations 1 and 2. So I will write here f of 12 plus f of minus 8. Equation 1 plus equation 2. This will be equal to 12,000 minus 990k. This was f of 12 plus f of minus 8 was 7840 plus 990k. If I will add plus and minus term will be over, we will get our answer f of 12 plus f of minus 8. This will be equal to 12,000 plus 7,840. And if I will add, I will get 19,840. So this is our final answer. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.